Bagus and marak na nangani ko takyen. Ayan sing lambe jakpa dokat na ina. Ini zaman achini guest of Mia misi akmano. Anjeng wangalo. Dem chong dadi chong. Dama dokato. Normal pante mesana. Anjeng wangalo. Dama bangsis kana.
Your message for the Wangala.
Yeah, I am here today in the Garo Heritage Village to witness the closing ceremony of the Wangala festival. And on this auspicious occasion, I would like to greet all our citizens of the state and particularly our citizens from Garo Hills. This is a very, very important part of the Garo culture. And it is only through festivals like these that we can actually preserve our culture. So therefore, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee for doing this, and from our government side also, we are there to support, not just here but throughout the state. We would want to support different festivals that portray our culture, and we would also like to preserve and promote them. Thank you very much.